Going to get the wings and the lower bumper removed from the car now, so we're going to get these off the paint. There's a clip in the front which it has to pop out of. Yay! Did you get it? There we go. Kieran's just removing the clips for the front grille, so the paint shop's going to have an easier time getting everything painted for us. Gone ahead and removed the side vents out of the wing and the indicators also.